The content you're about to witness is for self-improvement and educational purposes. Do not forget to hit that like. Woo!
Morning too.
Why are you gay?
Yo, what's up guys? It is White Blackson from White Blackson TV. Yep, it is I. And I just thought that I should bring this back. I know that I had videos on Adzlok, and then I had to delete them. I don't know why I did that, but I'm just coming back and show you that the app still works. It still works. This is an update from Monday, August the 19th, 2019. Still working. Let me show you how much money that I've made using this Adzlok app, and that it actually works. Connectivity problem. Let me just find my data. Alright. Account verifying, and then boom. It works. It still works. It still works. As you can see, I have been let me just start. In the beginning, I started with $5 because I was kind of skeptical at first. I didn't believe that I could actually get money just from an app. I started with $5 and it actually worked. Then I went on with another $5, then 10 rand, then 10 rand, and as you'll see, the amount just goes higher and higher. 30 rand, 15 rand, 20 rand, 30 rand, 45, 20, 30, 30, 30, and it's about to get real high. 90 rand, 60 rand, 50 rand, 100 rand, 100 rand, that's 300 there. 60 rand, 5 rand, 100 rand, 30 rand, 50 rand, 30 rand, 15 rand. And I can still withdraw some money. As you can see, stuff works. It really works, guys. So I was just just bringing that up right back, a heads up for you guys, and that just to show that this thing actually works. All you have to do is just swipe, and then you earn money. That's how easy it is. You just swipe, then you probably click here. If they have a website, when you click on the thing on the picture that you swipe, you go straight to the website. If you want to get more touch base with the website that is being advertised, or buy a product or service or whatever, you just click on the screen and then it'll show. But this one has no website link available, as you can see. But yeah, it works, guys. So yeah, you just earn money for swiping, guys. I mean, really, you know how South Africa is heading for a steep downfall economically wise. This app will just really help you. And look at this. Remember in my old videos, the ones that are no longer on YouTube, but if you really remember, I told you that I was gonna show you. But look now, look at that. I can buy data, I can buy airtime, I can buy electricity, I can buy fast food. Look at that. See. Ooh, yeah, it works, guys. Just gift vouchers, guys. Gift vouchers, fish ways, gift vouchers. You dig? Hungry Lion, gift vouchers. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. How awesome is that? This is awesome, guys. I think I'm gonna grab me a thingy. I'm gonna grab me a bucket. Yeah, I'm gonna grab me a dinner bucket when I go out with the guys pretty soon. Shout out to Black Lester, Bayanda, Moby, and G Hours. Those are my best friends. I hang out with them a lot. They believe in the stuff that I do, and I believe in them a lot. But anyways, back to the reality. Steers, there we go. 50, 75. See, steers is always expensive, but hey, when you got Adzlok, you just don't gotta worry. Then groceries, it's ShopRite, bro. The feature is still loading, so you probably it will probably be available in the next update of the app, I suppose. I'm not sure. Electricity feature is still loading, but airtime, you're always good to go, guys. Now trust me on this, guys. When you listen to this. When you register with MTN, you cannot use your available wallet balance for another network. It has to be MTN and that specific number that you registered with. like let's say like now I registered MTN. I cannot choose Telkom, I cannot choose Cell C, and I cannot choose Vodacom. I cannot choose Vodacom. It just won't work. Let me show you. Look at that. Let me just try 5. See, it will tell you this. CP, no, there's nothing wrong. Blah 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 blah. It will tell you this. You dig? It will tell you that, and sometimes it tells you that. But when you have like the correct thingy, you should just know that the servers are just being updated a bit and maintained, and they're just getting payments from the ads. So yeah, I can't wait for the clothes. Can't wait for the clothes, guys, and the cash. Let me just head over to the FAQ section so you can actually see what goes on and what goes down. What goes down. Okay. How do I get paid on the Adzlok? You get paid to view adverts on the Adzlok app once you have downloaded the app on Google Play Store. Once you have created your account, blah 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 blah. You can view this when you download the app. You dig? Here we go. You see, the minimum payout per day of South African users is 5.60. This is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. I've been saying that. I want you to look at this. Take a screenshot of this, or just download the app and just look at it there. Yeah. The rest you can like do stuff like that. See, this could be due to server maintainers that you cannot redeem airtime or data at the current moment. As millions of people use Adzlok, we work on securing and maintaining the service to deliver a world-class service to you, our user. This shall not be often, but when it does happen, please do not despair. Your money has not disappeared. Just give us some time while we work behind the scenes and try again later. You see, they do have issues. Like it's still like an upcoming app. I started using this app in it was January. Let me see. Yeah, it was March. Yeah, March 13th, 2019. This year, and I've been like making just so much money. And then there was just like one time where it just like decided to, you know what, I'm gonna stop. You dig? And it just stopped. Like, whoa. It stopped, and then there was this group on Facebook, and like a lot of people like commented on it, or like, no, Adzlok is no longer working and stuff like that, blah blah blah. But then it's back, and now everybody's just gone silent. I don't know why, but I'm gonna check out the group on Facebook. You can also check it out on Facebook. Just search Adzlok.